Introducing Creative Cuts Cozy Homes Layering Die Set. Create these adorable homes by layering together the cardstocks, as you can see in the layering guide. All of the cardstocks used are shown below, and we'll open it up so you can see a little peek of the dies that are included with your set, and here's what you could create on the front. We're going to get started with House A. We're going to layer piece A2 onto A1. For A3, we're going to layer the windows. Get those layered on. Next, we're going to cut off that top section. We're just going to use the bottom section. We're going to layer that A2 piece on top of that. Next, I added some foam tape just to add a little dimension. Next, we're going to go ahead and we're going to layer the windows, which are piece A3 and A5 there. And the little door. And next we have A3 and A4, and these are done in grapevine. These are the roof and the detail to our door. You can also cut out the doorknob. I did not for these videos. There is a die that will cut out all of your little doorknobs, showing you that right there that you can. I did not for this video because they kept going away. House B, we're going to trim off that chimney there, and we're going to put piece 1 and piece 2 together. Next, we're going to layer on B2 and B3 right there. And then next, we're going to come in and we're going to add the door and the windows and the roof, which are B4, B5, and B6 for your pieces. That creates our adorable little house. Once we finish with our windows getting added on. There we go. House C. We will trim off that chimney again, and we're going to trim off the side of the house as well. So we're just going to use that left-hand side. We'll glue that down. We'll use piece C2 right there, piece C3 right there, and then C4 and C5 to add all of our windows into place to finish off our house C. Once we add all of those. So many fun options you could do to add lighting to this, different colors for your shutters and your windows, your roof, all kinds of fun little touches that you can add to your houses and or neighborhoods. House D, we're going to trim off that chimney again. We'll get to piece 2 on there. Next, we'll layer on the window piece. And then we're going to go ahead and layer D3 and D4 in the center there. D4 goes right around the outside of D3. Then we'll put D5, the little door. Then we're going to layer D6 and D7, and that's going to be basically all of our outlines for the windows and the door. That finishes our D house. And our final house, E, we're going to go ahead and get that into place. We will bring, and that's actually the wrong direction, so I switched that. And I have my E2 piece put on there. We're going to trim off that top part of the house. So we'll put that gray piece down, then we will layer the lighter blue piece on top of that, E3. Then we're going to come in with E4, 5, and 6. And that's going to be our windows, our door, and our roofs. And we'll add a little doorknob on there. That one cut with this. This is a straight doorknob, but door handle, I should say. And then we will get our roofs added on there. And that finishes off House E. I hope you had fun layering together your Creative Cuts cozy homes. Here's some inspiration from our designers to create even more beautiful homes. To find out more about Creative Cuts cozy homes and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon and happy crafting.